Hey guys, my name's Jeremy from Elevation Off-Grid, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this really awesome carbonized gray Black Edition F-550. From the outside, this truck looks very much like other Black Edition F-550s that we've built. However, this truck has lots of power in hidden places that you can't see until you start poking around. So today, that's what we're gonna do. This truck has two things that we've never done before. This is actually one of the longest builds that we've ever done between all of the research, engineering, design, redesign, everything it took to get this truck where it is today. There's so many firsts on this truck that took us quite a while, but we got it done and we're super proud of how it came out. Lurking under the hood of this Black Edition is a full high output turbocharger, full exhaust, downpipe, all the catalytic converters, the catalyst, DPF. This truck runs and drives like stock, but it makes big power. To our knowledge, it's the only 550 in the world that has full high output turbochargers, powertrain components, cal files. This truck feels just like a truck that rolled off of the factory Ford assembly line. It took so much time to get this done right. We went back and forth so much with the company that we worked with to kind of develop this. It was a long and painstaking process, but we have a really awesome client who was very patient and understanding. And at the end of the day, we're going to deliver him something that has never been done before, which is really, really special to us, and we know it's going to be special to him as well. Like all Black Editions that we build, this truck has a Warn 16,500 pound winch in our proprietary winch cradle, a 1/4 inch and 3/16 steel bumper face bar, paint protection film over the bumper that'll help cut down on rock chips. Also have paint protection film on our flares. Like all the trucks we build, this truck has full liquid spring suspension, front and rear. That helps the truck handle much better, has essentially no body roll. It will change spring rate up to 5 times, depending on load, environmental conditions, steering, brake inputs, and all of those things go together to keep this truck maintaining a factory payload. So it's actually right about 10,000 pounds. It's very close to double what a 450 or 350 dually is. This is our one-piece single wheel. Our Black Editions have a matching track width, front and rear. This truck also has our vision system, which is a 360 surround view. We don't do bird's eye, but we do have right view camera, left view camera. We also have a forward-facing camera. What's really cool about them is they're not speed limited. They do tie into the CAN bus system, so left signal will actuate your left camera, right signal will actuate your right camera. You can also manually turn them on at any speed. On the inside, we build all of our trucks full Lariat interior. You can't get a Lariat Super Duty with full black interior. They all come with gray uppers. So this client selected full black interior. So we basically replace all of the upper components with new upper components that are black rather than gray. We think it gives the interior a very cool, elegant, dark look. Amp power steps, also standard on our Black Edition. This truck has what we call onboard air 2. So you get 4 air couplers, 1 in each wheel well. Your fronts are here. Pop that off. That's where you connect your hose. And then again, same thing in the rear. We do apply paint protection film on the dually flare. This is a 10 mil film, so it's about 2.5 times the thickness of the front. We try not to use mud flaps if we don't have to on the front of the trucks. We think they don't look that good. They can get caught on things, but we don't want the flares to get torn up. A good solution that we found is 10 mil film. If you're gonna be pounding up and down dirt roads with bigger rocks that the Goodyears can pick up and throwing them at the dually flares, may still be a decent idea to run front mud flaps. Normal use, occasional dirt road, this PPF is gonna do the job. For those of you who don't know, we are the only factory spec F-550 pickup manufacturer in the world. So the wheelbase on a F-550 crew cab is 179 inches. Compare that to a F-350 crew cab, 8-foot bed, or a 450 crew cab, there's about a 4-inch difference. So basically what we do is we manufacture all of our trucks with our proprietary pickup bed, and that process involves starting with a 350 or 450 pickup bed, factory dually bed. We remove the outer bed side. We replace it with our aluminum outer bed side, which is 4 inches longer on the outer. So this portion here is 4 inches longer. This is a factory 4 dually flare, reattaches to the mounting holes in their factory location. Well, what's really cool about our builds is we retain factory interior dimensions, so you can still use all of your standard bed accessories. This is a Lear Pace Edwards electric tonneau, so all of that still works exactly the same. New for the 2025 model year Super Duty, we did a slight redesign on our rear bumper, opened up the pocket a little bit so you can get in there with like a hard shell boot or something like that. We did recess our rearward facing lamps so they match the front, and then we went to a 3/4 inch recovery hook in the rear, also to match the front bumper. Now that I've gone over some of the standard options that are on this truck, I want to go to something that is the second we have never done this before. This truck has a fully concealed onboard generator that has enough energy to power your house, power a nightclub, or power a nightclub in your house. So we worked with RealPower AC and installed a 25 kilowatt system in this truck. Again, never been done in a pickup, never also been done on one of our builds. This is a common piece of equipment that's used in commercial applications, think concrete grinding, construction sites, that sort of thing. Guys who need really, really, really big power in a location where there is none. This took so much engineering time and prototyping and manufacturing of brackets and installation and reinstallation to get everything just right. Due to space constraints, there's only so many places you can put components on this truck, and our goal is, hey, when this truck is not working, it needs to look like a completely stock truck, like no one would ever know. And we still wanted to retain full functionality of the pickup bed without impeding the wheel wells. So how we chose to do that on the panel was, this panel is 9 inches deep. So what we did is we made a finish plate. We actually recessed that panel into the pickup bed as far as we can before it hits the outer bed side, and then it keeps a nice straight line, keeps it inside the wheel well. And this is all of the controls for the unit. So you have emergency stop, 30 amp 240, and you have two 20 amp 120 volts. So this is your access point. This is where you can plug in whatever you want. The heart of this system is over here underneath the truck, and it's a PTO-driven system. So this is the generator itself. In order to place the generator here, we had to do custom liquid spring installation, power module, left volume, right volume, all of the electronics, all of the hardware, all that stuff. Had to go through and design it and build it and design it and build it again. It was important to our client and important to us to retain four-wheel drive in this truck. In order to do that, the transfer case has to be replaced, and that allows the front drive shaft to retain its factory location. This propeller shaft runs through the transfer case back to the generator itself. What actuates that PTO is one of the factory auxiliary switches. When you turn that on, that'll engage the generator, and that'll make those rear plugs live. I'll demo that for you now and show you how awesome it is. We were trying to think of ways to show you just how awesome this system is. So the idea we came up with is, well, let's charge a Tesla. So over here, we have a Tesla Model S, and we're gonna charge our Tesla Model S with our diesel Black Edition F-550. The way that's done, step one, engage parking brake. Step two, we're gonna go up here, turn on aux switch 5. You'll hear that engine idle up. You just heard the PTO engage. Now we're gonna walk back here. We are just using the standard Tesla mobile connector, so you don't get quite as much power through it as, like a Tesla home charger or something like that. But this system coming out of this truck powers this car faster than this charger being used at our commercial building. So right now it's pulling exactly 240 and a half-ish volts. Looks like it's charging about 22, 23 miles an hour. Compare that to when this vehicle is plugged into the hard outlet at our commercial building, he's usually between like 16 and 18. We are maxing out the capabilities of this mobile charger. Obviously 22 miles an hour is not incredibly fast. If we had the Tesla fast charger or something like that, I believe that this truck would charge this car faster than it would at a home. It is such a cool system. It was so much work, but it is such a game changer for off-grid power, powering a home, a remote location, somewhere where you really don't have access to anything. This is the way to do it, and we're so excited to deliver it to our client. We know that he's gonna love it.
So let's check out some of the build process before this truck gets transported to meet its new owner.
Hard to see that fucking thing.
Yeah, imagine we're fucking putting it on. Basically straight from here, back. There's one right above it. And then when I swapped him out, there's bolts all the way around the transmission.
I didn't figure out how to make it. That's why you got your job originally. They looked at this and they're like, ah.
That
they're
guy.
like, wait a second.
Wasn't there some guy wandering around Expo that we could use for this? All right, guys, thanks for tagging along. Another truck build with us. First PTO-driven generator that we have put in a truck, charging a Tesla faster than a wall charger. Build came out absolutely fantastic. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video. We will catch you guys on the next one.